Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating this natural look. It's a simple look for your everyday activity, something you can do without putting so much on your face. Super simple, there is no too much drama on the face, and this will leave you comfortable to do your day-to-day activity. So without saying so much, let's get into the business and let's see how we're able to achieve this look. I always like to start with a well moisturizing hydrating base. I have completely fallen in love with this Hydro Grip primer, and it's lightweight and serves as a moisturizer and also a primer. It also gives that extra hydration. It gives a tacky finish and helps to get your makeup to last on your skin. If you have an oily face, you can go ahead to apply a matte primer on your T-zones after that. I would go in with a matte full coverage foundation LUB in the shade Olaocha. Very little quantity on my face. I like to apply with my fingers to help this product look natural on my skin. This product looks a little bit lighter now, but it will definitely oxidize to match up with my skin color. This is a full coverage foundation, so I would not add any more products on the face. I will go ahead to use a clean damp beauty blender to blend this product. It helps to absorb the excess product and leave you with the right amount of product on your skin. If you want to achieve a smooth blending, make sure you have a clean beauty blender. Next, I would go into contour. I'm using the contour stick from Black Opal in the shade Carob. It's very natural, not too intense, and would help me to achieve the perfect natural look that I want. I would place this on my cheekbone. I like to also apply this on my jawline for better face definition. I'll use a beauty blender to blend in this product. Because the contour shade is very light, it will help to give me that natural finish without you being able to spot the difference between the contour and the highlighted area. I will go in next with a cream blush using the Eye Magic palette. I prefer to go really light to help me achieve the natural look, and I will go ahead to still blend with the beauty sponge. I am using a concealer from Nuban Beauty in my skin in the shade 043. It's a lightweight concealer, it's hydrating too, and creases less on the skin. Because I use the high coverage foundation, I would go ahead to blend the concealer immediately because I have the coverage I need. To use the Milani setting mineral compact powder. I'm going in with the shade medium 108. I'll use a little bit of the powder and press that into the highlighted area. I like to pick very little product by pressing into the powder and applying it on the part where I need it to be. If you pick lots of products, you will struggle blending that out. It's best to pick a little bit and build it up if there will be need. I will go ahead to set the face using the Milani Mineral Compact Powder in the shade 109. I really like this product and I've already hit the pan, guys. I will set my blush using the 17 blush in the shade 020 or Desert Pink. It's a very affordable blush and it gives you a good warmth on the face. It also helps to make the blush last longer. Lighten my under eye a little bit more. I'm going to use the same. This can be highly pigmented, so I will go little. With this, I won't be going in again to set my under eye with a setting powder. Make sure I dab and not swipe through when applying this. That is the 17 finishing powder in the shade 03. It's a very nice powder for highlighting the T-zone area. I'll go ahead to define my nose using the Milani Mineral Compact Makeup Powder in the shade Deep 110. I'll be using a fluffy brush for that, and I make sure I pick very little product for this. I like to define my nose with powder because I feel it makes it lots faster and easier. Use a fluffy brush for my eyes because it makes the blending very easy. I will start off by using the Milani Compact Powder in the shade 109. I am focusing this on my crease line and also on my eyelid. Blush to define the eyes, and I'll be using the darkest shade from the blush. I'll use that particular shade to smudge out my outer eye. I'm using a flat blending brush because it helps to give me that precision. I will use the same shade to smudge my under eye. I want to smudge the under eye to give me more eye definition, as I won't be fixing any artificial lashes for this look. I'll go ahead to use a black eyeshadow to darken that smudging, just to give the eye a little bit more definition. I will go in with my mascara. I'm using the Maybelline New York Sensational Intense Black Full Fan Effect. I do wiggle from the root all the way to the tip. I start off slowly and build it up to give me more volume. I will also use the mascara on the bottom lashes to pop that up a little bit. I will line my lip with a brown lip liner. I'm using the Kohl Precision Color in the shade 2. I will go ahead to use my lip oil from Beyond Beauty in the shade 26. I'll go ahead to blend that in using a blending brush, just to make sure there are no harsh lines on the lip. I'll go ahead to use a baked bronzer from CPD. This bronzer is so beautiful and I will go really light, so I do not have a lot of shimmers on my face. I'll go ahead to place some of this on the bridge of my nose using my fingertip. I would make sure I blend in these shimmers into my skin so I wouldn't have any harsh line or demarcation. I'll go ahead to lock this makeup using the All Nighter Urban Decay. I highly recommend this finishing mist. It melts down the powder and gives it a natural finish. Make sure to be very generous with your fixing spray. It also helps to give you that natural look because it would melt down everything into the skin. I'll quickly allow this to dry up. Here we have that natural glam that is perfect for beginners and will leave you outstanding for any occasion you decide to rock this into. Remember to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you can always get notified whenever we drop new content. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video and see you in the next one. Bye.